Hi, today I'm reviewing Huawei MatePad paper and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpapers on that device. So if you want to change the currently lock screen wallpaper on your Huawei MatePad paper, we should first let's unlock our device and open the settings on the left down corner. After that, here you will see home screen and wallpaper section. Just tap on it and tap to wallpapers. Here you will see all the available wallpapers which you just can use. For example, let's use this one. Click here set as lock screen. Wait a second. Now let's just lock the device. Oh, sorry, I just take the screenshot and for and now we can see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper on our MatePad paper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.